Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an animated GIF in PowerPoint. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create one in no time. Let's get started. Imagine you have a few images, and you want to turn them into a cool, animated GIF. Here's what you do. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. You'll need to bring in your image or GIF file, so head to the Insert tab and click on Pictures. Choose this device and find the file you want. Once you've got it, insert it onto the slide. Now, your image might need a little resizing to fit nicely. Don't worry, just adjust it until it looks right. Here's where the fun begins. To create the animation, we need to arrange these images in a sequence. So, duplicate your slide a few times. I usually go with 4 duplicates, it gives the animation a nice flow. On the first slide, you'll keep the first image and delete the others. Make sure it's perfectly centered by aligning it to the middle. Looks good, right? Then, move on to the second slide. This time, delete all the images except the second one. Again, center it so everything lines up perfectly. You're starting to see the pattern now, aren't you? Repeat this for the remaining slides, keeping one image per slide and centering each one. Now that the slides are ready, it's time to bring them to life as an animated GIF. Here's how: go to File, then Export, and select Create an Animated GIF. You'll see some quality options pop up. Medium works well, so let's pick that. You'll also notice a timing option. This controls how long each slide appears in the GIF. 1 second per slide usually works nicely, but you can adjust it to your liking. Once everything looks good, hit Create GIF. Choose where you want to save it, and voila! You've got yourself an animated GIF. Now, let's check it out. Go back to PowerPoint, click Insert, and choose Pictures again. Find your new GIF and drop it onto the slide. You can resize it, crop it, whatever makes it perfect. But wait, there's an even simpler way. Let me show you another way to create an animated GIF in PowerPoint. First, head over to the File tab and click Save As. From there, choose Browse to pick where you want to save your file. Now, here's the important part: under the File Type drop-down, select Animated GIF Format. Once you've done that, just click Save, and boom! Your animated GIF is ready. But let's take it a step further. If you want to see your GIF in action, go to the Insert tab, click Picture, and choose this device. Find the GIF you just created and insert it into your slide. Once it's on your slide, you can easily adjust its size to fit perfectly. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created and used an animated GIF, all within PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Egg for more easy PowerPoint tips. See you in the next video.